The April 8th, 2024 solar eclipse was purely a sight to behold as millions around the country watched the event from the sky, with many as birds and animals behaved during the solar eclipse. This is what a team of environmental scientists at Indiana University's Rossville Laboratory was set out to do. The team recently conducted comprehensive research that can help detect animal behavior during the event of a solar eclipse. Led by Liz Aguilar and a team of scientists who are all PhD students and graduate workers, along with Associate Professor Kim Roosevelt, revealed the Solar Bird tracking app on Wednesday to the App Store and Google Play to help the public in their groundbreaking research. Using a specialized app developed by the team, they helped gather valuable data before and after the solar eclipse. From scientists to the average Joe, people across the country could go on the app and how animals reacted to such astronomical events when the sky goes from light to dark. This is also the last solar eclipse for researchers to research in the United States until 2045, making researchers hopeful to get comprehensive studies on animal behavior during this year's eclipse. She spoke about her research at a Zoom conference run through the IU College of Arts and Sciences. Her conference was a part of the Food for Thought series that helped students and faculty learn more about the solar eclipse.
To start to kind of get at that, we have developed an app called Solar Bird. And this project, we hope to have the public help us investigate how birds respond by collecting data on bird behavior throughout the progression of the eclipse. Kim and I have collaborated with Joanne Tracy to kickstart this project and teamed up with folks at IU Luddy School of Informatics, Computing, Engineering, Paul Macklin and Sean Dixit, who's a master's student who has done the magic work of actually creating this app.
Aguilar said she and her crew witnessed several technical errors while designing the app, but the app was proven to be more successful on Google Play than on the App Store.
It has been pushed through to the Apple Store. It should be through its review process. And if all goes well, it will be available for Apple users tomorrow. There were a lot more bugs than we expected going through our first time developing an app. And the master student, Sean, has really been a rock star in working through everything and doing his best to get it up there as soon as possible. So keep checking. It will be ready before Monday.
By studying a wide range of animals, including birds, mammals, and insects, they were hoping to gain insights into how different species adapt and react to sudden darkness and temperature changes caused by the event.
We also had a lot of information from the 2017 solar eclipse. So this is kind of a lot of the beginning of how we know more about animal behavior. And another way we've learned about it is observing animals in zoos. So they observed that baboons started to huddle together and move through the eclipse, through the enclosure together, and they were super vigilant during the entire eclipse. Elephants and giraffes also gathered, and they approached their enclosures that they would go into in the evening. And a specific anecdote was that an individual male giraffe was just pacing for an hour following totality. These types of public service projects can really help us generate a lot of data across a scale that is otherwise not possible.
Since the eclipse has concluded, we wanted to learn more about how the app tracked and kept track of their research from eyewitness accounts. We tried multiple times to reach out to Aguilar, her associate professor at the IU Department of Biology, and her team of researchers at the Roosevelt Laboratory, but they did not receive our request for comment. The team and the public, however, are truly excited about the results because the crew hopes to also be a part of the next line of research in 2045 or whenever the next eclipse comes. For Storylab 3 News, this is Braden Lentz.